All right, so the first application that I found for my students was Freckle. Freckle is something I'd maybe heard about, but I never looked into or heard, like, knew what it really was. But after doing some research around it and looking online, it seems kind of like Seesaw, but this is just where you can assign different assignments or activities for your students to do. It's nice that it already has like some content that you can assign to specific kids, like if you only want to assign to a certain group or whatever. There's different areas, and if your school buys into it, you can also get even more already made resources or assignments or handouts or different activities for the students to do. It has math, English, social studies, and science. Like social studies is available with like the premium, like I said, if your school goes into looks into upgrading to premium, they can do that. But there's also a lot of different activities that tells you like the alignments, like next generation science standards. And it also has like, so when I made my account, I chose the upper grade. So I chose so like when my math, it's more geared towards the grade levels that I chose. But you can also see, like, you can look into these and it shows you some more different ones for your specific grade level. And so it's a nice little tool that goes ahead and gives you different ways for you to interact with your students and use activities that you don't have to create yourself. Also, a thing that is cool, so if I were a teacher right now, I would have a class roster and I would update it in here, and then you are able to keep reports on assignments and keep grades, and you can see different where they are performing and if they are improving throughout the year. And you can also just go through, and there's a lot of different ways that you can filter things, and I just think that it seems like a fun way to maybe, like if you're going to be gone or you need something where you might not be able to be in the room, or like, you have to kind of move around, or if you're doing activity, like group activities, you can assign a specific assignment for a group that is working independently throughout the group rotations, and so they could work on that, and then you're able to grade on it, and you're able to keep reports, and then that you could take those reports and translate them into, or transfer them into, your grade book. So I hope you learned something about Freckle today and maybe want to check it out.